Today is day 25 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge, and today's baby step is super duper easy. Give yourself a gold star. Whether literally or metaphorically, you deserve it. You've been baby stepping for 25 whole days, keeping up with our habits such as dressing to shoes, a 2-minute hotspot, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute email declutter, a cleaning mission, making our beds, doing a load of laundry, checking our control journals. Yesterday we've added the daily swish and swipe. We've also been doing a 15-minute decluttering mission, a 15-minute rest, starting our dinners in the afternoon, and in the evening we have been shining our sinks, getting out our clothes for tomorrow, checking our calendars and our control journal, and getting to bed on time. All day we have been saying kind words to ourselves and slowing down and being intentional. Be sure to be here on Monday for day 26 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.